So next question is the rising temperature. Let's just check it. We'll do faster here. Let's try to see. We go. Let me speed up. Okay, rising temperature. We have ID, record date, and temperature in end. We have only one table. Okay, great. Hmm. Okay, that's why it's very interesting. So also to find all the dates with the higher temperature compared to previous dates. I think we don't use self join here. Let's just try it out because we are drawing aggregate joins everywhere and we need to compare the temperature of two record dates. Okay, let's check it out how we can do. So we have to go to select asterisks from what is table name weather from weather and weather as a we call cell join. What do we write cell join? Do it. How do we write it? Simple cell join or do we know it's something else? Cell join. Okay, this is the matter I cell join. I missed this part. Great. So weather comma a comma weather as b on a dot id and b dot id. Okay, so and what we need is we can do something interesting. Can we do on date? Okay, if we can want to compare the dates, we can just hmm. Actually, we know we do equal to no, we do equal to great. Let me run it and I will show what I actually want to display. Can we sign through all the tables? We're getting all the tables. Let me just run it. I will understand what I actually want to do or show you. I have idea. What a mistake I made. Do it something else in the MySQL. Okay, we don't need a wow, wow. We only need condition. Where okay, only we just need to use like this. There is no need for this. That's the problem. When you just using both the tables, nah? See, you're getting both the tables. Is it a longer wait? So long table. Is there no limit? No, that's not how I wanted. Let me use inner join again. Let me just try to do it in a different way. Okay, we'll treat it as a different problem. I don't care what others on whether B on whether A whether B on will do on A dot ID is equal to B dot ID. Let me run this part. Both are same. We'll get the same concept. There is no need to worry. This will be good. This is what I actually wanted. See this? So this one. Let me show you something interesting. So let me just try to do this plus one. So now see this. We can do do inner join. We need some full join kind of thing. Oh, and what we call as full join. I don't need inner join here. Okay. B dot one. So if I keep as B ID is equal to 0, so it will get attached to the zeroth ID will attach to the first of that. Attached to the first of that previous one. That's I actually wanted. But I need full call. We don't right join. Run this part again. You will understand what actually doing now. Yep. 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 Because we can't actually compare the first one. Let's see this one. Actually, it is saying that what is it asking? Don't find all the this IDs, all the dates IDs. So you actually have ID. Okay, great. With higher temperatures compared to previous date. So previous date. So actually, I'm assuming that it is an ascending order. Was it written in ascending order? Is it mentioned somewhere? It's in ascending order. No. This could also be a problem. We should sort it first. this should be mention of something. Okay, let's just assume it for now. So okay, this is thing the interesting part. Great. Okay, so actually we can't compare 10 from 10 to anything because we don't have a previous temperature. So it will automatically get rejected. If you want to say will this be okay compared to previous one with higher temperature compared to previous one, it is okay. No, because it's less than, it's higher than previous one. Okay, 25 will pass. And will 20 pass? No. Will 30 pass? Yes. These two pass. So answer will be 2 and 4. 2 and 4. See the answer. Just try to do it again. So we have to find all the dates with higher temperature compared to previous dates yesterday. So we can't compare 10 to yesterday, so it will get rejected. For 25, it's higher than yesterday. It's good. 30 is higher than yesterday, so 30 will pass. So here we can see now I would remove the first one. So this part was interesting. Like this concept, you plus adding one minus one. Let me see what we'll get if we do minus one. And should I do right join? Okay, let me just do while join. Doesn't matter. See, it's like shifted one. So here we put one as BID, one minus one zero. So first of this will incline to zero of this. We don't have actually zeros, we got nulls. Okay. So this is, you know, think of this part. This part is very interesting. So and what we needed where there's a condition, record date is higher. Okay, so a dot record date, oh, sorry, temperature, a dot temperature, a dot temperature is smaller than, this part is bigger than b dot, I'm copying temperature, and what I actually need is id on the present day, like this one. So I will do a dot id, a dot id. Let's try to run this part, see what we are getting. How do I get an error? What a mistake I'm making. Do I have to rename or something? Okay, we have to rename with an id. Try to see this, check it again. You mean any order, particular order? Any order. Okay, okay. A dot temperature, A dot temperature is less than B dot temperature. E dot temperature is less than B dot temperature. Just check the table. Oh, sorry. We need to this. That's. I got the answer. Let me submit it. I will try to explain it again. Let me say few more variants of this problem. You can try. Great, great. This is the interesting part. So I'm getting error. Okay, what's the error? That's what I'm saying. See, so here the record date is not in ascending order. So we need to fix it. We needed it ascending order. That was I was getting error in error. So can we simply do it by record date? This was the talking order. I assumed that record is in ascending order, but here it's not the case. So we get the one answer. How do we solve this? It's interesting because we need to record it then as an ascending order. Can we simply use order by? Can we simply use order by? Okay, let's just try it. Our assumptions fail here, so it's important. I just want to assume know that we are what you're assuming, and I'm happy because I thought of this error before. Okay, but I shouldn't have missed it. So can we, before merging, can we, if it's simply ordered by, will it work? And can we simply order by, a lot of things to think of. How we can do so? Can we just simply order by date? I'm still thinking. Okay, let's try it out without before thinking anything else. What self join has would have worked here? Hmm, 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 hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Let's try to write something. Order by a.id. नहीं, order by a dot record date. What will we get? But how will it work? And I'm ordering by after the merging part. So is it good? Is it right thing to do? That's the main thing. Can you city just as a table and record in order please? You can't order close. Can you make a table that's sorted weather sorted weather and then use it? That would be interesting. Let me just see. Okay, with sorted sorted weather as thing. I'm still missing it making it select sticks from, but still we can't use order by in table. Yeah, that won't work. This won't work. This won't work. If you can get states initially in sorted order, things would have worked. Okay, how can we do so? How can we do so? Try to Google this. How to order a column, date column in MySQL and then use join. That's why he has ChatGPT. I think Google won't give a good response. But see the primary and foreign key till then. Primary key both are important constituent plus column combination of column that uniquely identify is to. Okay, we know this. Foreign key a column combination of column that creates a relationship between two columns. No, this is what important. Values in foreign key column matches the value in reference table's primary key. That time I have module column foreign key. Okay. Hey, why I'm getting error then? Or did I make some mistake? Order by. What did I do? Order by. It's very common. Date table one dot column. Select columns. You set all. No. Table one dot ascending. Mistake error. Why I'm getting error? A dot record date. No mistake. I don't need this. Let me just show the table first because if I'm not getting the table, things will get messy. And give me. Okay, let me just not use this. And let's see. And we'll comment this. You can't get wrong answer again, so we will go for asterisks and we will remove this condition first. We just run it. order by actually work or not. You can't actually find it here. So did it work or not? What was the ordering by the end? I think it doesn't work. Mhm. Uh, I have 10 rows. With I have a table with different order of dates. So first I want to sort the dates in descending and ascending and ascending. Then do inner join and proceed further. And proceed further. Inner join, proceed further. Can we do this? एक second. Actually, a sub query. Then you sorted the results with that now. Can you finish session? Okay, let's just see. But we need this again on sorted order, or we won't need. Great, this is what I wanted. Oh, this might help me. This might help me. It's quite interesting. This part, I don't think of why didn't I think of this before. So let me just try this one on here from select asterisks from whether order by order by record date date. ठीक है? And this is called as a. Just try to run this. Would this give me error or does this work? Long answer is better. Long answer is much better. I will handle that part. A.id as ID. You can use subquery for a table. इसको sort करके let me just submit it. If you sorted A or B, A plus 1, we'll still getting error no? Because I didn't handle this part here. Select A.id's ID from I recorded right join. Does it work perfectly when I have used simple join? Okay, to make another video on this. How much time has passed? Hey, only 90 minutes. It's normal. So just search it out. Yeah. Also, we spend more time on this. We wait for half an hour. If still getting error, we'll look for solution. But the must the method sorted. Can we use subqueries here too? Let us try this part as B. I don't think we can use, but why not right? Got accepted. So we are sorting them both, and then we are merging it. On can I do this part then b dot id plus because after sorting this will get an error there. Can I shift the column by one and how can we shift it? This order is changing. We can do the record date. Can we do by record date? Do we have record date? We can do by record date. Great. Let's I just type by record date. Okay. Record date plus one. Can we do plus one record date? That's a worry. Let's just try. We might get error again. Can we do plus one? We can do plus one. Great. Okay, so we are adding to let me just submit it again. So we are getting the error means we are not doing correctly. So that's the problem. Simply messing up. Yeah. Can you do date plus one date period order wait date or period order date plus one? You are just messing around. Let's just look for a solution because you know it to do it wrong. Okay, so we'll use our chat GPT, but should I ask the question? Let's just look for a solution. We'll give it the entire question. Should I use it again? Should I just sit back? Okay, I will try it again and just upload the video. We'll take a break. See you later on this problem.